This is our art workshop.
Yeah, no, I figured
Today's
that
just a freestyle art / Christmas
out.
party.
I mean, I was like, I'll go for it, you know. No, I know you are. It's kind of seemed like that. I mean, I thought, you know, we'll figure out how to get these open.
I did it. You want me to get it for you? No, I got it.
She's making Christmas cards. Or cards. It might not be Christmas, so yeah, beautiful. Hold it up one time. Nice. She's doing the other side now. And Carrie's making a vision board. This is her landscape.
God's glory.
God's glory. That's the title of it. Beautiful. I love the sunset.
Did you want to see what I started?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I mean, it's not. I'm just getting ideas.
Sunflowers.
Yeah, I like the sunflower theme.
Nice. I'm glad
So,
you're able to find all those sunflowers.
Yeah. I have a bigger one at home, so I might just expand it, make it bigger.
Okay. And this is Elizabeth's. Very nice. Come around to the other side. I think I can get a better angle on it. But yeah, that's good. Very nice. With God, all things are possible. Little Tweety bird and butterflies. So beautiful. This is what Jennifer's working on. Sunflowers with musical notes. So pretty.
Praises to God.
Praises. So each one of these things has a praise. They come from an old hymn book from, I think, from the 1800s or early 1900s.
Yeah, it was old.
And this is what Jamie's working on. Oh, this collage. Is this going to go in your journal?
I guess that was from my work stress.
Oh,
Literally. And
nice. Well, we got to get out that stress. Art making is such a good way to do it. That is why I make art. This is what Nancy Lee is working